classmate.
Our lecture will focus on the variables of perspective. As you notice, there are different positions, no, of the perspective. And if you recall, the distance of your picture plane from the station point affects the size of the building. Now, question: among the four, which building would look bigger considering the station point location? Kung sa pinakadako, ikaw mag-project. Yeah, yes, insa. Kani upat. Asa may like dire ka gabarog, wait sa tara. Dara ang nagbarog kana mo ni ang building. Yeah, that's correct. So, that is the most close distance from the point of observer. Question: would this be out of range of the 60-degree angle human vision? Kani makakuan ta siya. We'll see. Naala ko'y duda nga murag distorted ni kay super close o nga imong ipugos o kuan. But then we'll see. Okay. So, first, again, let's decide on the GL. Is there any distance given? Wala man. Plus, okay. Next is, and by the way, this is a short band. Wrong figure ni siya na compress. So, print your guide in a long band paper para di siya trapezoidal. Okay, most niya yung sunod ng drawing. So, how much is the distance from the ground line to picture plane? Was there any given? So, wala. You can ask question along the way, ha? If you want. Okay, so let's make okay, can somebody prepare for an extension paper? Basig din masunod. Then, let me establish the so, I will make the setup little different from the guide for you to always remember that in perspective projection, there are constants and there are variables. Should be able to know that. In this case, the station points are located at or below the GL. So I'll transfer it above. So this is the SP line. Then this is the GL. So, the angle is 60 degrees. 60 by 30. And then your vanishing point is this one. This is clearly aerial. So ang ato ang station point VPR. So VPR, let's look for the VPN. Okay, so the second one, this is 60 by 30. Yeah, this is 60 by 30. Let's locate the station point. And then and this is below the picture plane. And again, if you recall, the shape is still the same as plate number 1 with the addition of the door, the window, a canopy, and a roof. So ang last wala man eh. Okay. Same ra gyapon siya nga size. So I will demonstrate only 3 because this one is basically this one, the mirror na. Okay. So how much is the dimension? 10 plus 1, 5. The other side is 6 plus 2. And then this is 4. And then we have 3.5 by 1.5. Ay kalimot og cut dong ha. Ikaabot og 10 minutes kasi dili ma-post. And then the tower figure, which is 5 by 3. So this project is, the following variables are perspective angle, distance of object to PP, and distance of station point to object. You have to remember that because that would matter during the final exam in our written assessment. So the figure is complete. So ayan na to. Okay, so let me first project this one. Anyway, this setup is generic, not generic, common, and almost the same sa plate number 1. Now, the challenge here is you establish your measuring line. And saan ganito? How do you establish the measuring the ML? How do you get the ML? Kasi nakahinom doon. Not exactly center. Any point of the building that intersects with the PP. Like kani. Nag-intersect man siya. Kaya katong uban nag-present, katong naatos atong exam na imaginary diri nga line. Yeah. Dili siya exactly being right, but it's a path. Now karon is there any point of the building na nag-touch? So what do you see? Kung sa may nag-touch sa kaning example, the path, kanang invisible line. So you have two choices. It's either you make this as ML, which is also your center of vision, or you create one on the other side, which is another ML. But to avoid complexities, I would rather decide this one as my ML para din ako malibog. Pero in this presentation, you can decide two. Okay, so let's try to do that. Karon, let's form the object, the base. So this is our GL.